Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga Goddess ko? So, anong meron na naman sa inyo right now? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. No? So, kamusta ang mga fire signs natin dyan? No? Let's see anong sitwasyon nyo ng iyong person, no? In relationship man or in separation, friendship man ito, or kung ano man connection you have with that person on your mind, of course. And yeah, of course, let's see anong message or advice from the universe and from your inner self, no? So, let's start mga fire signs, no? So, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you. So, tignan natin. 3 cards 3 cards. 3 cards for the fire sign, no? Para sa sitwasyon nila ng inyong person, right? So, let's see anong meron ngayon sa mga fire signs natin, no? Tignan natin tong mga cards na ito. So, meron dito, you deserve someone better, letting you go, no? So, fire sign, some of you nag-decide na to have a separate ways, no? So, yeah, for some of you, merong separation na nangyari dito. There is a decision made, no? Maybe both of you, I think, ay nag-decide na rin to let go of each other, no? Because hindi na siguro talaga healthy ang relationship nyo, or hindi na talaga nagwo-work, no? Something like that. And then, let's see. You are the one for me, no? So, it's really hard, no? For the both of you to decide, no? Because for me, I think is you still you still miss each other, no? Something like that, no? So, what else? I want you to be happy. All the best for you. So, yeah, no? Ay, bigla akong nasad. Something like that, no? So, oh my God. Ang bigat. Napakalungkot naman. Whoever is this fire sign, no? Ikaw man ito o yung person na kadil mo, kung sino man, no? So, nag-giveaway talaga itong tao na to, no? Or vice versa, no? Sobrang naramdaman ko talaga yung lungkot, sobra, as in. Oh my God. Whew, yeah. I don't know, no? Siguro, meron din tong nagawang kasalanan, no? For him or her, napakabigat ng desisyon na ginawa niya, no? Letting go, no? For you to be happy. Because nararamdaman niya na hindi ka talaga na masaya na kasama siya, kapiling siya, or fire sign, no? Something like that, no? But then for him or her is, you are the one for her or him, right? Para sa kanya, ikaw pa rin ang the one. But then, kailangan niyang mag-decide, kailangan niyang i-let go ka because gusto niyang maging masaya ka, fire sign, no? Or vice versa, no? So, nag-sacrifice to, no? Ganun talaga ang unconditional love, no? Something like that. Or, maybe na-realize niya na hindi siya talaga nakakabuti sa iyo, fire sign, no? So, take what's resonate. That's why, siya na rin mismo ang nag-decide. Ayaw niya nang mahirapan ka pa. Ayaw niya nang maging malungkot ka, no? Something like that, no? So, maybe na-realize niya talaga, no, na mga mali niya, and then na-accept na din niya sa sarili niya. That's why, nag-let go na rin itong tao na ito, no? Something like that, no? So, but then napakasakit for that person to let you go, no? But then because gusto lang talaga niya makita ka na ring masaya. Siguro nakikita niya is lagi ka na lang malungkot, nasasaktan, yung kayo pa, no? So, yeah. Medyo mabigat and napaka-sad ng cards ng inyong relationship, situationship, friendship, no? So, take what's resonate, mga fire signs. So, yeah. medyo malungkot, but then, for me, napakatapang kung sino man itong person na ito ay mag-decide ng ganun. Tinanggal niya yung being selfish, no? So, siguro, naging selfish din siya, but then, binago niya yung sarili niya, no? Something like that. Parang ayun yung nararamdaman ko dito. Binago niya yung sarili niya dahil ayaw niya nang mahirapan ka pa, no? Or vice versa tayo dito, fire sign, no? So, kung saan kayong side doon, no? So, yeah. Ayan ang sitwasyon ng for some of you, fire sign. So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice from your inner self, mga fire sign. Kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, fire signs, please. So, meron ng umanong isa. So, one more card, please, for the fire sign. Universe, please. One more card for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, please. One more card. So, you have shapeshifter, no? So, tingnan pa natin. Ano pa po para sa message or advice from the inner self ng ating mga fire sign, no? Universe. So, ayun na. So, gratitude, no? So, wait lang, mga fire signs na. Fire signs, no? So, yeah. Tignan natin to. You have shapeshifter, no? For some of you, fire sign, no? You have this, flexible. You are a flexible person, no? Kahit saan kayo ilagay, job, career, business man ito, you can adapt, no? So, shapeshifter, no? For some of you. Flexible nga, no? Sabi ko nga kanina, you are flexible, no? Kaya mo. Kumbaga, you have these skills, no? Multitask, pwede rin, no? Nagmo-multitask ka, something like that, no? So, very creative then, no? For some of you, mga fire signs, so maganda rin. Meron din tong negative din na for some of you, shapeshifter is may mga tinatago pa kayo sa inyong pagkatao, no? Something like that, no? So, hindi kayo nagiging totoo for some of you, no? So, yeah, ito yung sinasabi ng inner self nyo, no? For some of you, show your skills, show your creativity. Ito yung sinasabi ng inner self mo. And then for some of you, is sinasabi din is maging totoo ka na. Be your true self, fire sign. Don't hide who you are, no? Whatever it is, your hiding is malalaman at malalaman din yan. So, yun nga, be true, show who you truly are, no? For some of you. And the other one is gratitude, no? Yeah, you have this gratitude, sinasabi ng inner self mo, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? That you are this, being grateful, being thankful for whatever you have, being contented, no? For some of you, no? So maganda ito. Hindi ka mapaghangad, no? Something like that, no? So sinasabi ng inner self mo dito na you are very, kumbaga, you are so unique, no? Something like that, no? With the feathers around, no? So, parang, ano, no? You're just going with the flow, no? Something like that. Kung saan ka dali ng hangin, no? Wala kang reklamo, no? So, napakabuti mong tao, fire sign, no? Something like that, no? So, nire-remind lang ni inner self mo na nare-recognize niya and of course ni God how kind, how beautiful is your soul is, no? Fire sign, no? So, yeah, ito yung nakikita ko. And then, tignan naman natin anong message or advice from the universe for you, fire sign, no? Kuha rin tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, fire signs, please. Message nyo or advice from the fire signs natin, universe. So, one more card, please, for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, please, universe, and yes, Holy Spirit, please. One more card for the fire signs. So, nag-flip na to, no? So, kunin na natin yan. So, what is that cards, no? Those cards for you fire signs. You have the journey. Yeah, the journey. And then, of course, unconscious gains, no? So, for some of you fire signs, what universe is trying to tell you is that for some of you, you are starting or soonly starting your journey, no? Your journey in your life, no? Your goals in life, no? Is on the way, no? So, you are ready to take this opportunity, no? For some of you fire sign, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? So, with this unconscious games here, whatever journey is this is you are being tested unconsciously, no? Something like that, no? For some of you fire sign, no? So, meron, kumbaga, universe is testing you unconsciously, no? Because universe wants you to be ready with the journey, right? Kung ano man tong journey na kakaharapin mo, fire sign. Kung goal mo man ito, dreams mo man na gusto mo nang mangyari, right? Diba? You are being tested kung kakayanin mo ba. So, kung you are, because this is unconscious game, because for me, I think this is yun nga sinasabi ko is you are being tested here, no? If you are worth it of that journey, no? So for some of you right now, you are being tested at as of this moment, no? So yeah, no, kumbaga parang sa work ay you are nasa training nagte-training na kayo, no? Something like that, no? So may nag-o-observe na sa inyo if you are capable, if you are worth it to be hired, no? Something like that, no? So kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito ang fire sign, no? So you are being tested right now at this moment, right? For you, because universe wants to see if you are really deserving of these dreams, of these wishes you want to be fulfilled, no? Something like that, no? So ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ni universe, no? So may hint na rito, no? So kailangan galingan niyo lang, no? So focus kung ano man itong mga ginagawa nyo right now, fire sign, para sa inyo yan. So, stay focused, no? Gain more knowledge about it, no? So, ano pa? So, yeah, mag-focus lang kayo, maging seryoso lang kayo, ituloy-tuloy nyo lang yan kung ano man yan, because that is for you, no? That is your journey, no? Something like that. Goals man yan, dreams man yan, anong wishes man yan na hiniling mo kay universe, you are being tested ni universe. Dahil ready na yun para ma-receive mo. So right now, you are being tested to that, no? Para malaman ni universe if you are worthy of those whatever you are wishing, whatever dreams or goals you want in your life, no? Fire sign. So, not all the time is mangyayari to. So, grab the chance. Ayusin mo na ang iyong sarili. Something like that, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi sa'yo dito, fire sign, no? So, yeah. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo dito, mga fire signs natin dyan, no? So, again, no, thank you for watching mga fire signs, and yeah, wag kayong mawawala ng tiwala. Again, lagi ko naman tong sinasabi, have faith lang sa sarili nyo, and of course, connect with God, no? So, siya lang din ang makakatulong sa atin in any ways, in every ways, no? Ng buhay natin, no? Right? Because siya lang naman din nagbigay ng buhay natin. So, lahat nakikita niya ang ginagawa natin. Pag may mali, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga struggle because may mali tayong nagagawa. Something like that. Ginigising tayo ni universe, ni God, no? Kapag may mga hindi magagandang nangyayari sa buhay natin, is nakikita tayo because, yes, nakikita tayo ni God, right? Walang hindi nakakalusot kay God. Even small things, whatever it is, thoughts nga lang natin, kung ano mga lang naiisip natin, eh, alam agad ni God yan, right? Wala tayong maitatago kay God, no? Something like that, no? So yeah, that's it for you, fire sign, no? So, yeah, thank you for watching, fire signs.